A Filipino teenager, Martin Ko, suffers from acute leukemia. Fortunately, when the Hualien City Hospital superintendent went to the Philippines to give a medical lecture, Martin and his family finally had a chance to raise funds for his medical expenses, helping him begin his cross-country medical journey. Currently, Martin is staying in Hualien to wait for a bone marrow transplant. Follow our report as we learn how this family bonded with Tzu Chi.
Happy to go here in Hualien for my medication, and that's I'm so happy because I have a chance to live again because of the stem cell transplant.
The 16-year-old Filipino teenager Martin Go suffers from leukemia. Currently, he stays in Hualien to wait for a bone marrow transplant.
Hello, Martin.
Back when he was still in the Philippines, Martin and his family lived in the apartments offered by his father's boss. The environment was relatively clean and comfortable. City volunteers went often to care for him.
I have faith in my son that he'll be able to fight against the disease. After undergoing the last chemotherapy, his health has improved. I believe that he will recover soon.
The Hualien Tzu Chi Hospital doctor Li Qichen traveled from Taiwan to the Philippines to accompany Martin Go to come to Hualien for further treatment.
Martin
suffers from acute leukemia. Once he has relapsed after going through chemotherapy. If he does not undergo bone marrow transplantation, there's no chance for him to survive. So if we can help him find a matched bone marrow donor, he will have the chance to recover after undergoing the transplant.
Before volunteers left, Martin's father took out an envelope with money. It was medical expenses donated by many kind-hearted people from all walks of life. This family wanted to donate the balance of about $6,438 to Tzu Chi.
As long as I recover, I will go back to school to study. I want to become a doctor. This is my dream because I want to help other less fortunate people. I can feel for the suffering of people who are also ill.
16-year-old Martin is struggling with his life because of the illness. However, after receiving many people's help and medical treatment, he is now able to gradually regain some happiness in his life.